Hey creative editors, welcome back to Top Tech Tips. Today's topic is how to unnest a sequence in Premiere Pro. So here I have a sequence I'm working on. I am going to nest two footages to create a nested sequence. First, double-click on the nested sequence to open it up. Then, select both footages and copy. Next, go back to your working sequence. Make sure your playhead is at the time frame you want the nested sequence to start. Then, select the right tracks. In this case, I want my sequence to be pasted on V2 and V3 tracks, so I deselect V1 and target V2 and V3 only. Then, paste it. Now, just delete remaining nested sequence. That is how to unnest a nested sequence in Premiere Pro. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.